woke up at 5 a.m. It's now 6 a.m? 6 a.m. And I've got a leak, so I'm holding it to stop the leak.
On the outside this time though?
Yeah, on the outside of the van. So it's not really a leak. I mean, it's getting kind of heavy now. Yeah, rain. It's fun. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. So we got up at 5 a.m. because we were going to go down to the beach. Here comes Pip. Pip and a wet dog. You decide against the walk. So yeah, we're not going to go to the beach and shoot the sunrise. That's not going to happen. So I'm just going to stand here and hold my leak. I don't know what to do. Hopefully next time you see me it won't be raining. Alright, bye. Say hi, Pip.
Hi.
Eased off now, isn't it? It's stopped raining for now. But it's supposed to start again in like 2 hours. I mean, we could go if you want to. Chilling in the moon chair.
Chilling like a villain.
So if it's actually stopped raining when Dan gets back, we will go down to the beach. But you focused on me. Yeah.
I feel like as soon as we get ready to go out, it will fucking check it down again.
Probably, but who cares? We're camping. We're happy. Solution acquired. That looks so weird. Just the shoes. Managed to redirect the water. Although just as I did it, it stopped raining. So might work, might not.
For the next batch of rain.
Yeah. Should we have breakfast? You just took a picture of me rubbing my eye.
I was picking my nose.
That'll be an iconic photo in years to come. Breakfast or walk?
I mean,
Doesn't really matter.
I've accepted the fact that I'm going to feel damp for the next
We're going to be damp.
We're going to be damp.
Until we get home.
Until we get home, so.
I guess you'll see what we choose to do in the B-roll that's coming up now. How's it, Pip? How's yours, Daniel?
Really nice.
What are we doing after this? Full send. Oh, I'm zoomed in. That's not a good view. I think I'm just gonna walk to the beach in my trunks, swim trunks, and jump in.
Okay.
I think I will. Stop raining. Okay, well, my battery's about to die. We have decided to just embrace the rain and just go and jump in the sea. I'll have my Osmo with me, so I'll try and film some of it, but that's what we're doing. Jumping in the sea, getting wet, because everything else is wet. So, ready?
Yeah.
Right, we're going. We're on our way down. It's not really raining at the moment, it's a little bit drizzly. This is nice, but we're going to be very wet in a second anyway. So. Rain's got a bit heavier. But we're ready to go in. This place is super cool. It'd be cooler if it wasn't raining. Time is now. We're going in. Are you ready, Dan?
It's so cold.
We just walked through like this little puddle thing and he's like, full send into the sea. Alright. We'll see you afterwards. Okay, been for a swim. How do we feel?
What's the word? Rejuvenated?
Yeah.
Felt very refreshing.
It felt good while I was in there.
Very cold now.
Yeah, it's shivery now. This place is super cool. I wish I had a drone. What's the plan now, guys? Shower pub. Nice. I'm down for that. Alright, heading back to the tent. You a wet dog? Did you go in the sea? Hey. Hey, tell everyone, hey. Auntie, tell everyone what you've been doing. That's why dogs don't vlog. Okay, we're back and we've showered. Pip's actually showering now. Dan and I are nice and clean and dry. That was fun. I'm glad we did that. It was cold after we got out. I was fine when we got in there. I could have stayed in longer, to be fair. Well, you got out straight away. But it beats sitting in here wasting a day. But now I think we're just gonna hang out and then we'll probably go to the pub a bit later on. For lunch? For lunch. It feels like dinner time already. It's 11:49. We've been up since 5 PM. It's been a long day so far. All right, that's all from me. Back to you in the studio. All right, bye. Take two. Film the first one in wrong frame rate.
Silly.
What was I saying? Yeah, we're sat here in the rain.
I'm not doing a lot.
Yeah, went for lunch, had burgers, and then it rained.
Again.
And cheesecake. How did I forget cheesecake? Not like me. I was hoping it was gonna stop raining so we can go somewhere and see stuff, and it hasn't. Do you want to show me camera, Dan? Go
I'm
on.
gonna look real weird in the back of that. I've been needing to sneeze for like the last 30 seconds.
Show me camera.
This big thing. She's beauty. Yeah. Hopefully we get to shoot with it.
I just want to see some nice cliffs.
We've seen some clips.
We saw some cliffs. How are you? What have you been doing? Tell us in the comments below.
Maybe you should get a little coffee making B-roll.
That'll look with this.
Well,
I mean, we can have coffee, I just don't. Not fun. Anyway, alright, we're gonna go. Bye. we're going out in a boot. We're going to the harbour. What's at the harbour?
What are you doing?
Oh, driver conflict.
Does he want me to go?
Yeah, we're going to the harbour. What's at the harbour, Pip?
Loads of stuff. There's restaurants, tourist shops, just boats.
Just boats. Hey, remember Dan's big camera? Dan, show me your other camera.
tiny compared to me this time.
Tiny. So yeah, he's got that. I've got this. We're going to go to the harbour, see what we can find. Help me. Alright. We're at the harbour. I'm going to switch my lens out to my 70-200 and get some cool B-roll. Look at those in the distance. Alright, sexy B-roll. Come around. Morning.
Hi.
We came down to the beach a little bit later than we'd planned to.
A bit of a snooze.
But look, that's blue sky. The sun's just, I mean it was hitting over there, but I think now the cloud's hiding it. How many photos have you taken, Dan?
I've taken 3 now. Don't know how they're going to come out.
Yeah, I think we missed the good light, really. Should have got up at the same time as we did yesterday morning. Yeah, should we go back and have coffee?
Yeah.
Because I'm not swimming this morning. I feel a bit coldy, congesty, sneezy, wheezy, sleepy. Yeah, don't know if it's hay fever or what, but it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love this little town. I think we'll just go back before the rain hits. Have some coffee.
And avocado.
Make some breakfast. I've got some avocados. So, oh, don't shake near me, dog. We've got to jump this river. We should have just gone that way. Anyway, yeah, going back to the campsite once we cross this river.
Dangerous ravine.
We've had showers and had breakfast, had some nice avocado on toast, some coffee, and now we've started packing up. The awning's empty, everything's kind of wet, so I'm just gonna have to deal with that. Fold everything away, get it out when the weather's nicer for it to dry. But yeah, it shouldn't take us long. Just gotta detach it from the van and get my shoe out. And then yeah, we'll be on the road. Monty's just chilling in the car.
Who's that?
Such a good doggo. I'm actually looking forward to driving again. Every time I'm about to drive my van, I get a little bit excited. All right, that's my update. Pack up B-roll? Boring. Yeah, we'll see you on the road. Wait. All right, we're packed up and then we're saying goodbye. What a great weekend.
No, it's been really fun. Love you guys.
Bye, Monty. He's in the car already. Drive safe.
Bye, vlog.
I know we said we'll see you on the road, but just thought I'd say bye. I think we're just gonna take some photos with the van and me, and then be on our merry way.
Love you.
I love you. That's it, Dan.
That's it. Then there were two. Get a crack a lacking.
for some lunch and a coffee, and now Dan's watching Formula 1, so we're about probably an hour and 3/4. Going very fast through this little village. Ooh, change gear. Right back. Beelining it for home now, so I might just finish the vlog here. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Dan liked it, didn't you, Dan?
I loved it.
He's going to give it a thumbs up, so you should too. And if you're not subscribed, you should be, why aren't you? Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, take care, be a good human, and we'll see you.